so B2B is highly coveted, audience. We see requests all the time, but we have so many layers in place. And it starts as we're evaluating our different sources that we use, right? We have two different channels. We have a consumer panel and we have a B2B panel. And I think it's very important not to sort of cross the streams. I'm going to do some Ghostbuster talk here. And yeah, there's employed people in consumer panels for sure, but there are certain niche groups that really need to have, I think, a more bona fide B2B experience and the incentives that are required to garner their attention. But I should note, the cyber fraudsters know this. They know that B2B studies are much higher incentives that are being offered. And so if you're running a B2B study, you are going to be a target. I want to do the best that I can up front so that you're getting really good, high quality panelists coming into the survey, but we can never take our guard down. Let's work together. Let's look at the screener together. Let's figure out a way to design the screener so that we're not sort of showcasing the qualification criteria.